time with family, to be honest. So this boat ride that we are having is actually full of fun and joy. Uh, इसका सेंटर पर हिलाना नहीं है इसको बिल्कुल भी हिलाया तो नहीं रुक जाओ कुछ दिख रहा है क्या दिख रहा है बस ड्रेसिंग देखने And look at Alina, she's shivering with fear. Her legs are shaking. Anything you want to?
Nainital Tower 360 view.
Oh!
Yay!
Ali, show some excitement here.
Slow ही घुमाना भैया.
Oh, slow ही होता है.
We are moving up. Look at the sun.
View अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah. Such a nice view there we are. कुछ फोटो खींच लो यार अपने कैमरा से. I'm just having this footage.
See Ali?
Ali.
Wow!
Look Ali.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Wow, lovely.
Wow. यार बारे.
Wow, yeah, Ali. What a view.
What a view. Going around, going around, going around. Woohoo! There we go. Ali, look, look. Ali, look at the lake. Wow.
Fast हूँ Ali.
डर के आगे जीता है अली. लेक साइड. This is the 360-degree view. You can see our camera is going around. So actually this tower is, this trolley is moving around. There you get, that's the Air Force radar, Ali. That Air Force radar.